So, you want a Chime card, huh? You've heard the buzz, maybe seen those slick ads, and now you're wondering, how do I actually get one of these things? Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First off, let's clear something up. Chime doesn't offer credit cards. It's a debit card. But don't let that discourage you. It's a debit card on steroids, with perks that can make your financial life a whole lot smoother. And getting one? It's usually a breeze compared to traditional banks. Now, let's talk about what Chime actually looks for when you apply. You might think it's all about your credit score, right? Wrong. Unlike most banks, Chime doesn't pull your credit. Instead, they focus on a few key things. Direct deposit. This is the golden ticket to a Chime account. It shows you have a steady income stream. The more, the better. Think of it as Chime's way of saying, hey, you're getting paid regularly, that's cool by us. Bank account history. While they don't pull your credit, they might look at your banking history with other institutions. No red flags like overdrafts or returned payments, please. Identity verification. You'll need to provide basic personal information like your name, social security number, and address. It's all about making sure you're who you say you are. So, how do you stack the odds in your favor? Well, it's all about showing Chime you're a reliable customer. Having a stable income, a clean banking history, and being able to verify your identity are the main ingredients. But wait, there's more. Chime also offers a credit builder card. Now, this is where credit scores come into play. It's designed to help you build credit, but it's a separate product from the standard Chime debit card. If you're looking to repair or establish credit, this might be an option worth exploring. Now, let's talk about the application process. It's pretty straightforward. You can do it all online or through the Chime app. You'll need to provide your personal information, set up direct deposit, and agree to the terms and conditions. Easy peasy, right? Once you've submitted your application, you will usually get a decision pretty quickly. If approved, your physical card should arrive within a week or so. But don't worry, you can start using your virtual card immediately. So, to recap, direct deposit is key, a clean banking history helps, and verifying your identity is essential. The application process is simple and you can get started right away. Remember, Chime is all about making banking easier and more accessible. It's not a traditional bank, so don't expect the same strict requirements. Give it a shot and see if it's the right fit for you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.